Damage. Small holes, such as those caused by a doorknob, can be repaired by patching. The damaged area is then further enlarged to match exactly the size of the patch. Metal runner track is secured to the edges of the frame opening. The patch is screw attached to the exposed face of the runner track with fasteners a maximum of 8 inches or 200 millimeters on center. The patch should be treated with tape and joint compound to restore appearance, fire resistance qualities, and acoustical performance. Note: overlapping of joint tape can result in finishing problems.